out there. I don't know if you guys can hear me because of the wind, but
In about 7 miles, keep right onto Boulder City.
I heard there's like a little downtown place, so we're gonna go check it out. Made it to the park, peeing out there. Wow. So we're gonna eat some panda. We're gonna sit on that bench over there. Y'all, if we get kidnapped, this is my last video on my phone because there's a weird guy over there. He giving me like Jeffrey Dahmer vibes, you know. I'm scared to put it down because what if I get stuck? But I don't think I'm that big, you know. Baby, say what's up.
What's up, vlog?
JoJo's.
What's up, JoJo?
JoJo's.
What's up, Jake?
Boach City played me. It looks really nice out here though, guys. This is what I'm looking at. And then we got the lake behind us. Now we're getting some groceries. We're gonna make some fish tacos. Do we have tortillas?
Down. You got certified.
Got a Powerade. Powerade 0. Gonna make the fish tacos right now at la casa. Alright, y'all. So we got a new blender. Let's see if it works. We need a damn, this shit got, it has teeth in it. Okay. Teeth? Yeah, look at the blades in there. Look, they have little teeth in it. Look.
Where? Oh.
Yeah, be careful when you're washing this one. Alright.
Oh yeah.
So it comes with a regular. I'll take that. Regular blender. We have the tap. Okay. Okay, and then ooh, sharp. We have another piece. It's really sharp. I guess you connect this one to make like smoothies on the go. You just
No, I'm cool, man.
this is why they returned it. wait, I got it. Hold on. Oh,
Let's still open it.
close.
Oh.
It has an arrow. That's the close. Open.
See?
Okay. Andrew. Don't kill my experience, bro. Damn, this is a bulky blender. Ooh, nice. Alright, y'all. Nice. Test if it works. Where do we have an outlet? Over here. Just over here.
Ooh, that's
okay.
nice.
That's nice.
Turned on right when you connected it, right?
I like that.
Ooh.
Some high tech stuff.
Okay. Okay, that's you, baby. You got that?
Oh yeah.
And here's our Q rig, what was it called? Coffee maker. And here's our 1 cup of coffee.
It's big ass, and then it's like trash coffee. We should use that one though as a little trash. I'm gonna put water and soap in it.
Okay.
Test it out. This is a bougie blender.
Oh.
I'm gonna blend.
That's good, no?
Ice in it.
If you want, yeah.
Alright, y'all, we're gonna finish working out at the house, right, babe?
Oh, yeah.
Because the gym was packed. Stupid packed. We only did cardio at the gym, but we're gonna finish a full body workout at home. This is dedication, right?
Oh, yes. Absolutely, baby.
This is quality time. No, I'm just kidding. I'm shut up. All right.
Exactly. We're bonding. Oh, yeah.
So yeah, y'all, we dipped the fish in here. I'll do a voiceover. Alright, y'all, this is how it's looking. Oh, and you could put some. That has lime in it, but if you want to put extra lime, then yeah.
And salt.
It's salty enough.
Okay.
I think it's salty enough.
Never mind.
Bye.
Boo.
Cheers. So Andy in the back. No boy on
Andy.
his second plate.
Anders. Mmm.
Oh,
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Fire.
No, okay.
Ready getting down in the kitchen.
Oh yeah.
Glad that Gordon Ramsay's not here though.
A little bit of lime on it. Oh, I feel like you can never satisfy him.
Bro, this was
It's really good, man.
chef's kiss.
Mm-hmm.
I think he'll approve. For sure.
Still going. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Nuts.
Personally, I don't think it's quite the same thing. Well, there are a lot of Asian girls there. It's impossible, Dave. Here's what we're gonna do.
What the fuck is going on?
Everyone gets a view.
Hey, that you or me? Yeah, you or me?
That's right. With the outside world through that. Idea those wheels are turning. Probably a message to that office.
Who was that?
Maybe, if they're a fan of the show, it might actually work.
Is that you or me? Who was that?
My party, and now we're stuck here with him in disaster lockdown. So,
What up? What's going on?
Hey, Danny. What's up, man?
I'm up for you. What is this?
Oh, it's just a video professional.
Probably not fucking like this one, and that's the reason why.
Wildfires and earthquakes.
Yeah, I'm gonna start.
I think I know what it is.
Sure.
Thank you.